Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Donalyn Baranda. I'm 38 years old and I'm from the Philippines. I am married but separate my husband for 7 years. I have 3 children, ages 18 years old, 14 years old, and 9 years old. I am hardworking, honest, patient, and responsible. I have working experience abroad from Saudi Arabia for 7 years in one employer, where I learned to how to take care of household chores such as cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and maintain a clean and organized home. I am willing to learn new skill and follow the instruction carefully. I can work immediately and I always do my best to complete my duties efficiently. I am dedicated to provide good service and created a comfortable and safer environment for the family I work with. Thank you for thank you for considering my application. I hope to have the opportunity to work your family. Thank you and have a nice day.